Hi folks, welcome to my review video. It's Kevin McClenahan from kevinmcclenahan.com. This is my review of the cloud-based software done for you Suite 2.0. If you've built a website, started a YouTube channel or blog, you're going to need ranking tools to get your product or ideas seen online. This backlink builder done for you Suite 2.0 and its powerful social syndication and content syndication may be for you. If you need traffic to any offer, even without a website, ClickBank and Amazon products, YouTube videos and blogs included, this powerful tool may be for you. If this is something you're interested in, stay with me for a few minutes for more details and a full demo of the product. We're going to dive deep inside and take a look at how to use this product. As well, I have a few super relevant bonuses. Let's check out that bonus page. The first one focuses on traffic and all of its sources, not just backlinking. Bonus number 2, building your buyers list, how to build that buyers list and nurture it. And bonus number 3, build funnels that sell without the ridiculous overhead cost of ClickFunnels, $97 to $297 per month, not including the other hypey products that they sell that can get you into the $2,000 to $5,000 cost range before you've even got started. Lastly, you've got access to all the vendor bonuses, which are super valuable. All my bonuses are included, even if you just buy the front-end product. So check out the link below for my bonuses, and let's dive in and see if the rest of the upsells are legit and worth the investment. Okay, so I always try to visualize how any product or software is part of the bigger vision about what I'm trying to do in my online marketing business. Okay, so how can I bring that business forward to the public? All right, so here we are. Done For You Suite is our new Done For You social syndication system. It allows you to dominate Google and YouTube without doing any of the work yourself. So what the heck is social syndication, right? So what I did was I looked it up just so that we can be clear about it. Content in social syndication is when web-based content is republished by a third-party website. The third-party website gets free, relevant content. The content creator gets free exposure and publicity and backlinks to their own website, which in turn boosts their organic traffic. Okay, so it's the backlinks. This is a backlinking tool, right? And that's how it is helping to build our syndication out to the broader network that is the internet. Okay, so here's Done For You Suites right here. And what I've done is, let's look at the dashboard first. I've started to create a campaign here, but let's take a look at that dashboard and see what we've got here. Move my big head. Okay, so average links built per month. You can see the stats. They've already built 25,000 links this month. It's only the 10th of April, and the average link building per month is 500,000 links. Oh my gosh. So this is a pretty busy network. Well, let's see here. Network info. Okay, so there are 500 sites on the network. The domain authority, the average domain authority, let's see, is, looks like it's about 13, right, out of 47 sites. And the page authority, anything between 20 and 30 for page authority is good. So you've got, it's well within the 20s, which is good, okay? And this just shows you how those websites are distributed, right, throughout the world. Let me just move this over. You've got all your tutorials here, right? So what is SEO? Done For You Suite, navigating your submitted campaigns, network info, how many links should I build, right, and just general FAQs, okay? So plenty of, plenty of tutorials there, right? Let's go back to the dashboard. Get my big head out of the way here. Okay, so credits available. I've got 50,000 credits available. Campaigns completed. Let's look at a campaign here. Let's see how hard it is to, oh, okay, so it didn't save that campaign. So let's just create it again. All right, so campaign name. Let's do, since we're doing, Done For You Suites, right? DFY Suite 2.0. and then the URL for it. Let's do my YouTube URL. We'll check that out. Okay, so there's my YouTube URL. Keywords, back to done for you suite 2.0, reviews, so YouTube review, Dfy suite 2.0. All right. So you could go on and on if you wanted to. Online marketing, right? Marketing software, cloud-based, link building tool. Okay, so you could go on and on if you wanted to. It doesn't matter how dense you want to get there with your keywords. So you could embed this video in an offer. Okay, so if you have any more questions about what does this tool do, then just click on the more info here, and it's definitely a good idea if you're trying to rank on YouTube video to embed your video, right? So the most important SEO metrics for videos, right, come with embedding. Alternatively, you can add a contextual YouTube video to your article to give it more credibility. Okay? All right, so that just gives you, more information here, right? So on embedding your video, if you're going to embed it, okay? So automatically generate content. Now, so this is a content spinner, okay? So I'm a prolific writer, right? So I'll have my own content, and I can just copy paste into the content, okay? As well, when I'm posting my YouTube video, I want to do a recap of that video and post it in the description, in the description line below my video, right? So I've got description there. Okay, so just to be clear about that. Link quantity. This is not quality. This is quantity, right? So depending on depending on how strongly I want to promote this, right, video or offer or whatever it happens to be, I can determine in advance how many links I want to post, right? So I would start with the minimum 25. Drip feed. This just means that instead of sending out 25 links today, then I would drip feed it over several days. So it makes it look like it's more natural to the Google algorithm. And then link indexing, I could turn that on and off. This comes with one of the upsells, and we'll take a look at that here next. Okay, so turning indexing on, and we'll try to get your links indexed. Indexing is important, as a lot of SEO experts believe non-indexed links carry less value than indexed ones. Okay, so this is one of the upsells, and super powerful. All right, and then you just click on create, and that's it. And then you've got your campaign going, and then it'll show up like this, right? That review copy right here. Okay, I want 200 links to go out. It's posting, but it's drip feeding 15 over 15 days. So 200 links over 15 days. All right, so just so you're clear about that, and here's my done for you as well. Okay, so let's go to the sales page and take a look-see what the costs are going to be. We've made done for you suites better, faster, and more irresistible for your customers. You'll get all this and the bonuses and more. So double the sites, double the authority, double the ranking power, double the platforms that they're on. We saw that 500 sites are involved here in this social syndication, right? So automatic done for you video embeds for even faster video rankings. If you're doing reviews like I'm doing of products that are being launched, either on JVZoo or Warrior Plus, right? ClickBank, Amazon, whatever. If you're doing reviews on the YouTube, this will help you to rank, get some traffic in and rank much faster. So totally revamped content generating system for more relevancy, so you get more ranking power for your campaigns, and a whole lot more cool features designed to continue to be #1 done for you syndication platform on the market. All right, so the front end at the beginning here of this sales campaign is 47. At the end of the campaign, after a couple of days, if you wait, you'll pay about 20 bucks more. There's a OTO. Okay, so OTO number 1, you lock in credits on a monthly basis, right? So this is a monthly recurring, $47 to $67, depending on how many credits you're purchasing every month. It includes the ability to lock in the credits on a monthly basis at the discounted price being offered during the launch, right? So that's good. So later on, these are going to be much more expensive, okay? Done for you credit-based launches several times, and they work amazingly well for long-term commission. So let's say that you were offering a job of this backlinking on Fiverr, right? So I've logged into Fiverr real quick just so we don't have to waste the time. And looked, boost your SEO with backlinks, right? Backlink service starting at $45, okay? So I would say, an average is for good quality backlinking is, I'd say about $50, right? So if you're doing, just for even numbers, if you're providing a backlinking service, right, for your clients, then, you could easily charge them $50 a month, right? So, basically one job would cover the cost of this monthly reoccurring. And you've got a whole month of a $30-day trial to test it out. Okay. OTO number 2, done for your indexer platform. Okay. So that indexing, when you're doing a campaign, right, the indexing portion of that, index links, right? These are all index links, right? So this, I think this OTO is super powerful, right? Because it is going to give some authority to your postings, right? So here your customers will be able to supercharge their campaigns by unlocking our done-for-you indexer system so that their campaigns get put through our proprietary link indexer so that their syndication carries much stronger punch. So every SEO marketer knows that the power of getting links indexed, the more of your syndication that Google is able to be aware of, the stronger your campaigns will be. This is a no-brainer offer, right? So $97 one-time fee. Okay, so OTO offer number 3 is Video Spy for $67. My Video Spy is our powerful platform that allows your customers to uncover untapped niches, analyze their competitors, accurately gauge how much traffic they can get from their target niches, and much, much more. So it's a perfect fit. And it completes the entire search traffic circle, all right? And then OTO number 4, Video Chief, our membership site. So if you are shy in front of the camera and you do not want to get on video, then you've got access with this OTO, and it's pretty inexpensive here, 1,200 done-for-you videos that you can use the right way to start securing page 1 video rankings. We'll be removing the need for them to create videos by doing it all for them. So with this upsell, we cover all the bases: syndication, niche research, and video creation. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Okay, and again, if you're interested in these and my custom bonuses, then just click on the link below and it'll bring you through to the sales page. Okay, now there's a demo video as well. If you click on the link below, there's a demo video that takes you through essentially what I just went through. But if you want to watch that again, then you can do that on your own time. So for advanced marketers, you'll instantly see the value of this powerful social syndication software, especially if you're providing quality content. And for newbies, it's a bit harder to get ranked, so it solves a big piece of the puzzle, and that is traffic. In very short order, you can get your offers, websites, blogs, and videos in front of a vast number of warm leads. You can develop or purchase content as you go. Eventually, you're going to provide value for the short term. However, if you can increase your following and get more eyes and clicks to your offers, then you'll get more sales. Remember, these are buyers that are looking for what you're offering. If you're having difficulty getting new clients for marketing or SEO, turn this system on and track your own traffic and conversions, and then take those stats to your prospective clients and add that to your next value offer or any sales campaign, and you'll suddenly have an influx of new clients. Ever hear the saying, the proof is in the pudding? So what Josh Zamora and his team have done is to take an existing system that works great and 2x'd it. Done For You 2.0 allows your customers to get free targeted buyer traffic in 48 hours or less by leveraging the power of the new high-quality Done For You social syndication system. So your customers can now leverage the power of the social syndication, and it's cloud-based, so there's no nonsense, no software to install, no software training to learn, no previous SEO knowledge or experience, no social account creation needed, no content needed besides a URL, no proxies or Captchas needed, none of that stuff. They don't even need to know what social syndication is, even though I've gone over and explained to you what it is. All you need to do is log into the web-based portal, submit the keyword and URL and that you want traffic for, and hit submit. And that is it. Okay, so along with this product comes several fast action bonuses. And so agency rights, we talked about that. You can use them to sell your services to other clients. Okay, bonus number 2, sub-syndicator, feature 3 licenses. Not only are they handling your syndication for you, many of our users want to completely remove themselves from the equation altogether, right? So this bonus allows you to do just that. Our sub-syndicator feature allows you to properly outsource the submission of our campaigns without having to give full access to our main account. Within seconds, you'll be able to give your VA, right, your virtual assistant, sub-access to your account so that they can submit your campaigns on your behalf. We could have easily sold this as an extra upgrade, but they could have easily sold this as an extra upgrade, but you're getting it for free during this 2.0 grand opening. Bonus number 3, automatic Done For You video embeds for even faster video ranking. Automatically Done For You video embeds. Keywords bootcamp, right? So this is really key. We talked about this just briefly, but as I would post this, then I would below my video, I'm going to add all of these keywords right below the video when I go to do my ranking. All right. So when you're initiating a new campaign, you just copy and paste in those keywords. Live client attraction bonus training. So since you're getting agency rights, it's only natural that we would put together a powerful training that reveals exactly how to find clients. Now, I showed you just briefly, right, in the Fiverr how to do that. But there's all kinds of different networks that you can join, like CPA Builder, right, cpabuild.com. So you can join that type of a network. So they'll give you just a ton of ideas, right, on how you can monetize this. And then bonus number 6, perfect optimization blueprint. Just like doing the right keyword search is vital, ensuring that your optimization is right is also so important, okay? And again, risk-free, money-back guarantee for 30 days, okay? So if this is something that you're interested in, then click on the link below and it'll send you right through to the sales page, okay? One last thing here while we're on lockdown for this COVID, I hope everybody's well, and I don't like to overemphasize it, but I wanted to give you a resource that you can go to, and that is somebody that I listen to every day, and that's this Dr. John Campbell, and he's got a YouTube site, and he updates every day. So if you want to know the straight scoop on what's happening with COVID and what we can anticipate in the future, then definitely I would go and check out his channel, okay? So again, I'm Kevin McClenahan at kevinmcclenahan.com here in San Diego, and I'm trying to give you the straight scoop on these products that could be useful to you, especially if you are just getting started in your online marketing journey. Okay, so wanted to wish everybody peace out there. Be well and take good care. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.